Equals, is your conga 1090 making a dodgy noise? We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This problem often happens when the motor or brushes are worn out, causing rattling or grinding sounds during operation. Our team will take it apart, replace the faulty parts, and get your conga running smoothly again. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.